As you can see, I'm putting these stainless steel bolts in here to use for feet, and I'm welding the nuts onto the metal. The metal here is like 2 millimeters or more thick, and the nut is very lightweight, and every time I tried to weld this directly to the primary piece of metal, it just warped the nut so badly that it just wrecked it. So anyway, what I've found is that if I take the nut and I put some metal on here, I build up some metal beads on here, and I usually only do it on 3 points on the nut. Then I can attach it to the piece of metal consistently every time. So anyway, I'll go do that and come back and show you. So here's what I've done. I've built up some metal on about half the nut. I found that if I try to go all the way around the nut, it ruins it. And the other thing is, now I can test to see that, this is still hot, I can test to see that the nut is still good and still moves before I weld it in place. So that's this step. And the next step is just basically weld it in place using the areas where I've built up the metal. So I have it tacked in place now, and you can see I've got 2 good welds and 1 kind of marginal weld. But anyway, the nut works. I haven't deformed it so much that it won't turn anymore, and it's in there solidly, and that's pretty much it. I can do a couple more, but I found that this is adequate for this job, so that's where I'm going to stop. I'm not going to push my luck. Anyway, that's a method of welding a lightweight nut onto a heavier metal that seems to work every time. Hope you found it useful.